everybody? Spiritual Warriors. Okay, quick update. So it's been a while. Right now what I'm gonna do is a little restoration on my little Dewalt. It has I got oxidated. You know, I think I left it outside. Something happened. The rain got to it. Well, unfortunately, they got super rusted, right? So I'm gonna try my best to bring them back to life, to remove as much of the rust as possible. Yeah, so I'm just gonna wear some gloves, obviously. Then I'm gonna remove them, dump them in here, and then just spray them and soak them with Barkeeper's Friend, and then that'll be like the first one, and we'll see what that does. And then you know, we'll leave it for like an hour, or we'll see for, you know, we'll check on it. Like, I guess I'll try to do my best, like 15 minutes increments. So we do 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, and 1 hour, and then we'll see how they're looking. All right, everyone, that's it. So let me just put on my gloves, do this, and then once everything's set in place and soaking, then I'll just record, and then we'll see the progress. All right, everyone, just a quick little update on, you know, little restoration, because it's been bugging me. Yeah, it's been bugging me because it's been like this for years. And then when I use them, everything is full of rust, and it's not good. All right, everyone, that's it. So stay tuned for that one. All right, cool. All right, welcome back, everybody. Spiritual Warriors. I'm right now currently listening to and watching NOUVEAU. I'm gonna continue all the legends, all the greats. So there you go. It's already working. It's already, look, changing color of the phone. So I'm gonna let that do what it's gotta do. And let me use one of these. In the case, I left it soaking as well, so it could be nice and clean and everything. And I used up the last of it that I had, so this one's empty, it's gone. And I got the new one completely full. Alright, everyone, I got these pins. They were outside. I'm going to use them to hang out my posters. And then right now, this is going to be so when I connect my electric stove and I cook. This is what I got for free when I went to pick up the, remember the cubicles for the insulation for the trailer build. Yeah, so I'm going to just wipe out the cable, because I was using this long ass extension cord, and it's like super killer saturated. It goes all the way. It's like, I think 50 feet or 30 feet, I forgot. But it's a long extension cord, this red one. So I already cleaned it up with wipes. I'm just going to wrap it up. Alright, everyone, so I'm just going to continue watching NOUVEAU. And, you know, cleaning and organizing while I'm doing that and letting this clean up. And then we'll just get back to it. Alright, so it's 11:05. Alright, so we'll check at it by midnight. See what's up, where is it at, how does it look. Or like, if I keep remembering, maybe 15 minutes, or every 15 minutes, or half an hour, we'll see. But hopefully I can restore them. Alright, everyone, NOUVEAU, thank you for all the great content. Alright, welcome back, everybody. Just watching the homie Randy Rhodes. Alright, so I'm gonna let this overnight, you know, just leave this soaking overnight. I'm gonna add more, so it could be like really saturated and soaking. And then tomorrow we'll check up on them, and then we'll clean them up, and then put them back where they belong. Alright everyone, so we'll check on this tomorrow. And hopefully they get nice and clean and they look brand new. As much as possible. Alright. Alright, laters everyone. Let's see. Yep, 12:35 a.m. Alright everyone. Have a good night. I'll see you guys and girls, spiritual warriors, in the morning. Well, yeah, it's changing color. Remember, it was all nice and white, so it's working. It's working. Alright everyone. Peace. Laters. Alright, good morning everybody. Welcome back. Girls and boys, spiritual warriors. Buenos dias, good morning. Alright, so I woke up, been jamming. My little track that I just came up with right now. Just messing with different effects. Okay. And we're gonna look, check it out. It worked overnight. Check it out. Look. Pretty much restored them. Remember how they looked? Man. But you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do this. Let's turn on give some light here. I got some light here. Turn this one on. Okay, where's the button? It's right here, the power on button. Okay, I got the lights. And now let's turn this bad boy on. Yeah, I like it white. Okay, cool. So look, check it out. Alright. Fucking love power tools, man. Gotta work smart, not hard, everyone. Look at all that rust. Oh, dude, that's bad. Oh, it feels good, man. Alright, everyone. Woohoo, that's so cool. Freaking awesome. Oh, that's from here. This thing fell off. Ah, great. Oh, there you go. Alright, cool. Alright, everyone. Welcome back, everybody. Happy Sunday. Spiritual warriors, girls and boys. So look, check it out. Man, I love this. Genius. Genius. Oh yeah, actually, I cleaned up. Remember, there's two things that I cleaned up. Remember all the tips. Check it out. All the rust removed for the most part. Ah, cheap lighting. Damn, it feels so annoying. Okay, right here. You guys see them? Bam. Not brand new, but at least I removed that annoying rust. And I could just give it another round and then put oil, like spray with oil or WD-40 so they won't get oxidated, like put like a coating. Alright, so that's that. We did the restoration on my Dewalt, my tips, Phillips, slotted, star, square. So cool, my peeps. So we're done with that little, it worked out with the barkeeper's friend. And then just letting them soak. Plastic Tupperware. Remember this, the one I use when I do all my drum restorations? For the tension rods and then in all the little washers. Everything that gets rusted. Still got to continue. Alright, so that's that. Cool, right? But now... Hello everybody. Last day of NAMM. Please make the effort. Be here next year, because it was a close call this year due to the fires. Thank goodness we're all here, so making history. All right, everybody. Peace, love.
That was dope, man.